Asphalt mixture solvent extraction proficiency samples 101 and 102 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The material will be shipped to you on October 17th, 2024. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes to check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. For solvent extraction rounds 101 and 102, there are two premixed asphalt bricks in the main sample box. One is labeled Sample A, which corresponds to Sample 101, and the other is labeled Sample B, which corresponds to Sample 102. Please treat these samples as you would treat any typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. Upon receipt, assume the samples are moisture-free as received, and the mass of each of these asphalt bricks and any residual pieces of mixtures should be between 2,470 grams to 2,520 grams. If your samples are outside this range, please contact us immediately. The closing date for data submittal for this round is December 12th, 2024. All AASHTO accredited labs must test the samples for each of the methods that fall under the laboratory's scope of accreditation. For specific requirements, please review the accreditation policy on PSP participation, which can be found on the AASHTO accreditation documents page on the AASHTO resource website. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the data sheets and instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.